Hello and welcome to Creative Tune with me Bindu. Hope you all guys doing well. So in today's video I will show you how to make easy heart-shaped tassel crochet earrings using cotton yarns. So for this I'm using two color yarns. First one is light yellow and another one is light blue of size 20 and a crochet hook up 2.5 mm. Okay, and two earring hooks or clasps and some jump rings to hang the tassels, and pair of scissors and pliers, flat nose and round nose pliers. So everything is ready to make the earrings. Now let's get started. I'm using double yarns because the heart will look good in double yarn. Now make a cross and then hold the working end in your fingers. Insert the hook under the first yarn, grab the second yarn through it and twist the hook and pull the same yarn over the first yarn. So here we make the magic loop and we'll start knitting with this magic loop. So first, to start the heart we need to make chain 3 and then we'll make 3 triple crochet or treble crochet around this magic loop. So here I'm making the first treble crochet, and the second treble crochet, and the third one. See, 3 triple crochets were made. Now we have to make 3 double crochets, here one and the second one, the second double crochet and the third double crochet. So here we'll complete the half of the heart, and now make chain 1 and again 1 treble crochet, and then chain 1 again. See, here's the half of the heart, and we'll repeat the same pattern but in a backward manner for the second half. So first 3 double crochets and then 3 treble crochets, and then chain 3 and cut up the working end yarn and fasten the magic loop by pulling the yarn. See, and now make a slip stitch to join the chain, and here we completed the heart. Make a knot with the both ends of the yarn and see, the heart is completed now, and hide the yarn using the hook and cut up the extra thread. The first step to make the heart is completed. Now in the next step we'll add the other color to it. So we'll add the light blue color to give it a more beautiful look. First make a stitch inserting the hook into the loop to the hole, and now we'll make single crochets all through the circumference of the heart. So for first 3 stitches we need to make 1 single crochet in each stitches, and in the 4th stitch we need to make 2 single crochets in 1 stitch, and in the 5th one again 2 single crochets, and also in the 6th one 2 single crochets again. We're doing 2 single crochets in these 3 corner stitches just to give this a shape. If we make 1 single crochet in each stitch here, then it won't hold the shape properly. So now in the 7th stitch onwards, we'll make 1 single crochet in each stitches, and here in the lower corner of the heart we need to make again 2 single crochets in 1 stitch, and then knit the corner stitch 1 single crochet, and again 2 single crochets in that stitch, and again repeat all the same process as the first half, and make a slip stitch to join this line, and cut it off and fasten it, and make a knot to secure this, and then hide the yarns. See, our heart is completed now. Now we'll make the tassels using yellow yarns. For this I'm using my old mobile phone. You can use anything according to your choice and the length of the tassels you want to make. So wrap the yarn around this 10 times. Now pull it out and tie this, and cut the lower end with the help of scissors, and tie with the other color yarn. Wrap around 5-6 times at least, and now apply some glue so that it will stick properly. See, our tassel is complete, and now we'll attach the earring hook with the heart. So I'm using the round nose plier to open the hook. Now attach the heart with this at the upper end, and close it by pressing the hook with the flat nose plier. See, half of the earring is done. Now we'll attach the tassels we made. First just trim it to make one size. Just trim it according to your length, and with the help of the jump rings we'll attach this with the heart. See, your earring is completed now. Both the pieces are looking fabulous. And again, trim if there's any uneven threads. These trendy, lightweight, heart-shaped tassel earrings are the perfect pair to give a festive or bohemian touch to your outfit. So do try this and let me know in the comments. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe Creative Tools. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, stay connected and happy knitting.